Which are the important ones? Which are the critical ones?
So we are
Which
doing some.
yes.
So one new client which has come, which is of some importance to us, is Apple.
Oh, okay.
So we're doing something.
That's interesting.
That's nice, but I don't know whether it's interesting. So that's how it is.
No, it's very interesting for MNC company to put their trust in an Indian legal firm. Of course, you have a great reputation, but it's their mindset is changed towards this. That's a very positive.
Just put it this way: when they're litigating in India, they have to find an Indian firm.
Yes, but they have, they hire like most of professionals from overseas. It could be architects, designers.
That can't happen in the law yet. You can't get a foreign firm.
They know what they get is they take the concept, they take broad thing, and they get the execution done here. But what's interesting is that they are actually going by the book. Yes.
But look, having said that, though, we are fighting the case. Obviously, there's a lot of input coming from their side because Apple is a very anal company. Everything, because anything they say in one case has to be matching and identical to what they say in another case in another jurisdiction in any part of the world. So obviously, the inputs that my team is getting is obviously very this thing.
Okay.